guys, I'm Primrose.
And I'm Beth.
So today we're going to show you our favourite Eylure false lash hacks. And I must admit, I love half
these.
of these.
Really make a difference.
Yeah.
It's actually revolutionary.
So
okay, let's get going. So number one, before applying the lash, wrap the lashes around a makeup brush. I haven't heard of this one.
It's particularly good if they're lashes that you've already used before. So much better.
Oh, yeah, that fits your eye.
Yeah,
oh,
it was so
okay.
strange before. I love that one.
I'm going to remember that.
Yeah, it is a good one.
Okay, what's next?
Next, place a mirror where you can look down at it.
Oh, okay, like this?
Yeah, you just can see what you're doing so much easier.
Oh, that makes so much more sense. I normally just do it kind of, you know, with a flat mirror against the wall.
I used to do it like that, but I just found I never knew where the lash was actually sitting.
Oh, I like that one.
Another good one.
Okay. Apply more glue to the ends and the inner corner of the lashes. I think this is a no-brainer, right?
Yeah, fave one.
They're always the bit that kind of flick up.
Yeah, the inner corner of my eye never stays unless I put a little bit of extra glue there. So just...
Okay. Yeah, show me how much you apply.
Try not to use, obviously, I don't really want to put loads on if I don't have to. But particularly...
Yeah, get that inner corner. Yeah.
And then I'm just going to put a tiny bit more.
Do you want the mirror?
Yeah, depths. I never say depths. I think mainly, to be honest, I focus more on the inner corner of the eye.
Yeah, you need to give it 20 to 30 seconds
otherwise
to let the glue
slip
go
around
tacky,
a
otherwise
bit
it can
much.
slide off.
And then pop it on. And I'd like to hold down the corner bit as well, just to stop it for a second.
Perfect, don't worry about the glue, it dries clear, remember?
Et voila.
Amazing.
Okay, I'm all lashed up, next hack.
Okay, so now you've got both on. Cutting lashes into sections to apply. I always do this.
It is a good one. Sometimes I used to do it more when I first started using them.
Yeah, it's definitely a good one for
Yeah.
newbies. I think most people know to kind of cut the ends off to make them fit, but if you trim them into 3 sections like this, it's really clever because then you've got a really clear beginning, middle and end.
Breaks it up a little bit.
So, for example, if I take this little end piece, you can put this on and fit it to the curve of your eye without having to worry about what the beginning is doing.
Yeah.
And my top tip is that you can turn your full lashes into accent lashes if you want to.
That's such a good idea. Yeah, sometimes I don't want a full set, I just want a little bit on the end or something.
Definitely.
That's a good one. Okay, last up, use an eyelash applicator. I must admit, I've never used one of these before.
Always do this. So, if I just glue my lashes as normal, put a bit extra at the ends. Okay, I'm just gonna let that one dry quickly. And then basically, I've always used my fingers. I've always been a bit scared of using tweezers and putting them close to my eye. But these are amazing because they're completely blunt. You can just clip up close to the lash line like this, which means that you can get much closer to your lash line as well. And then you literally just hold it in place. See?
You can get so
and
much
then
closer.
my favorite tip, which not everyone knows about, is you can then use the end to just kind of push down on those tricky corners. And it means you're not going to smudge the rest of your eye makeup, especially if you've done a very full look for a night out. The last thing you want is to kind of be touching it with your greasy fingers.
I'm definitely a convert.
See?
It's amazing. I love it.
Okay, so now I've got both on. These are definitely going to be such helpful hacks. I'm going to remember them.
I love that applicator. I need to get one of those.
You do.
I love it.
Amazing.
Such a good idea. We hope you guys loved our little hacks. Hope you find them really, really useful. And remember, if you want to see any other videos, you can check them out on our YouTube channel, and we'll see you soon.